Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial: how to send USDC from your Arculus wallet to Revolut in 2025. With crypto tools getting even more user-friendly, this process is straightforward and secure, perfect for anyone managing their digital assets. Whether you're transferring funds for everyday spending or investments, let's break it down step by step so you can do it confidently. First off, make sure both your Arculus wallet and Revolut apps are updated to the latest 2025 versions. This helps avoid compatibility issues and keeps your transactions safe from potential vulnerabilities. Step 1. Open the Arculus wallet app on your device and log in using your secure credentials, like Face ID or a PIN. Once inside, navigate to your USDC balance. That's the stablecoin we'll be moving. Step 2. Tap on the Send or Transfer button. You'll need the recipient's address, so switch over to your Revolut app. In Revolut, go to the Crypto section, select USDC, and copy the deposit address. Double-check that it's for the correct network, like Ethereum, as USDC transactions require it. Step 3. Back in Arculus, paste the Revolut address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDC you want to send, and don't forget to review any network fees. They can vary based on congestion. Step 4. Hit the Review button to see all the details. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction using your wallet's security features, such as a two-factor authentication or biometric approval. After you send it, the transfer might take a few minutes to an hour to show up in Revolut, depending on network traffic. Keep an eye on your transaction history in both apps to track it. A quick tip: always verify addresses and amounts to prevent errors, as crypto transfers are irreversible. If you hit any snags, check the support sections in both apps for 2025 specific updates. And there you have it. You're all set to send USDC seamlessly. This method keeps your finances flexible in the evolving crypto world. If this video helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.